Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're diving into the world of AI-powered video creation, but with a twist. I'm going to show you the top AI tools that allow you to create high-quality videos for free. That's right, no expensive subscriptions, no hidden fees. Whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or just someone who loves creating videos, these tools will help you produce amazing content without breaking the bank. By the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to start making professional-looking videos in no time. So subscribe, sit back, and let's get into it. Gone are the days when you had to spend hours editing videos or hire an expensive team to do it for you. With AI, the process has become quicker, easier, and more accessible. AI is transforming the content creation space. Whether you're an influencer, a business, or even a hobbyist, these tools allow you to focus more on the creative aspects and less on the technical aspects of video production. And the best part? There are a lot of free tools that can help you do just that. Let's dive into the best free AI tools for making videos and talk about how they can help you bring your ideas to life fast. Alright, let's break down the top AI tools that can help you make awesome videos for free. I've broken it down into categories based on what each tool can do, whether it's video editing, script writing, or generating animations. And the best part? Pictory's free version gives you a limited number of credits per month, but it's enough to get you started. You simply upload your script or blog post, and Pictory's AI will convert it into a video with customizable visuals. It even picks relevant footage from its built-in library to match your script. It's super easy to use and ideal for those just starting out with video content creation. Next up is InVideo. If you want to make videos quickly with professional quality templates, then InVideo is a must-try. It's a free, easy-to-use tool that lets you create stunning videos in minutes. InVideo offers thousands of pre-made templates and AI-driven tools that allow you to edit videos in real time. You can upload your footage, use AI tools to automatically cut clips, add transitions, text overlays, and more. They offer a free plan that's perfect for creators who need to make a lot of content without spending money on expensive software. The free version does come with some watermarks, but the level of customization and AI tools it offers make it a fantastic choice for beginners. If you're focusing on creating short-form content for social media, then Lumen 5 should be on your radar. Lumen 5 helps you turn blog posts, articles, or even social media captions into engaging videos with just a few clicks. Their free plan includes basic video editing tools, along with a library of stock footage, making it perfect for content creators and marketers who want to create viral social media content quickly. It's an easy-to-use platform, and the AI does a lot of the work for you, picking visuals and text placements. Lumen 5's free plan is limited to a certain number of videos per month, but it's more than enough to get started and test out its features. DaVinci Resolve might have a steeper learning curve compared to other tools on this list, but it's one of the best free professional-grade video editors available. The AI tools here can save you tons of time with tasks like automatic color correction and audio cleanup. DaVinci Resolve might have a steeper learning curve compared to other tools on this list, but it's one of the best free professional-grade video editors available. The AI tools here can save you tons of time with tasks like automatic color correction and audio cleanup. For creators who want to add animations and motion graphics to their videos, Deep AI is an amazing free tool. It uses AI to generate motion graphics and animations based on your input text, helping you add dynamic visuals to your videos without needing to hire an animator. All you have to do is enter a description, and Deep AI's AI system will generate motion graphics for you. This tool is ideal for explicable videos or any content that requires eye-catching animations. The best part? It's completely free, and you can create as many animations as you want. Okay, we've covered the tools, but now let's talk about how you can maximize these AI tools for content creation. The key is consistency. Use AI to speed up the tedious parts of content creation, like video editing, script writing, and animation. This allows you to focus on what matters most, connecting with your audience and being creative. Combine different tools. You don't have to rely on just one. For example, you could write your script with ChatGPT, create a video with InVideo, and edit it with DaVinci Resolve. By using multiple tools together, you'll create better content faster. And don't forget to keep testing. AI tools get better the more you use them, so keep experimenting to see what works best for your workflow. AI isn't just a trend, it's the future of content creation. As we move forward, our AI tools will continue to evolve, and using them will become essential to staying competitive in the content creation space. The ability to automate repetitive tasks, enhance creativity, and speed up production will give creators a significant advantage. If you start using AI now, you'll be ahead of the curve when these tools become mainstream in 2025. AI will make it easier to scale your content creation. You can create more videos, more designs, and more content, all while maintaining quality, consistency, and speed. AI is making it possible to create amazing video content without needing a big budget, fancy equipment, or even professional editing skills. You can create stunning videos, from scripts to final cuts, all with free AI-powered tools. Stick around to find out which tools will help you make viral content, save time, and boost your production. AI isn't just for tech geeks or huge corporations anymore. It's for everyone, and that includes you. Over the last few years, AI has completely transformed how we create, edit, and produce videos. The days of spending hours editing clips and scrambling for video ideas are over. Now, AI tools can help automate those tasks, which means you can focus more on creating and less on editing. Think about it. In the past, creating high-quality videos required advanced skills, hours of work, and expensive software. But now, there are free AI tools that can automate everything from scriptwriting to editing and voiceovers. So let's talk about the top free AI tools that are changing the game for video creators. Alright, let's get into the top free AI tools for video creation. I've handpicked these tools because they'll help you make videos fast without needing a professional background. Whether you're making videos for social media, YouTube, or any other platform, these tools will save you time and help you create great content. Let's start with Lumen 5, an amazing AI-powered tool for creating videos. It's super popular because it turns blog posts or articles into engaging videos in just minutes. All you need to do is paste your article or blog content into Lumen 5, and it will automatically pull out key text and match it with relevant video clips. You can customize your video with background music, text animations, and branding, and the AI makes sure it's all synced together perfectly. The best part? It's free for basic use. This is a great tool if you're repurposing content, like turning your blog or podcast into a video. It's quick and easy, and you don't have to be an expert video editor to make professional videos. Next up is InVideo, another fantastic free AI tool for video creation. InVideo makes it super easy to create high-quality videos using pre-made templates. Whether you're creating Instagram videos, YouTube content, or ads, InVideo has got you covered. It's all about speed. AI technology quickly puts together your video using templates that already have transitions, text, and effects. You just upload your clips, type in your text, and let the AI do the rest. The free version has a watermark, but it's still one of the easiest ways to create engaging videos. And the best part? You don't need to know anything about video editing. InVideo makes it super easy for beginners to start creating professional-looking videos right out of the gate. If you're creating short-form videos for social media, then Pictory is the AI tool you need. Pictory can take your long-form content, like a blog post or a podcast, and turn it into a short video that works great for platforms like Instagram Reels or TikTok. The AI analyzes your content, picks out the key messages, and creates a video with stock footage, music, and text overlays. It's a time saver if you need to repurpose existing content for social media in video format. We can't talk about video creation without mentioning Canva. While it's widely known for graphic design, Canva's AI tools have evolved, and now you can use it for video creation too. Canva allows you to create stunning thumbnails, video intros, and short-form videos with ease. It's super user-friendly, with a drag-and-drop interface, and their AI helps choose the best layouts and color combinations based on your content. You can create animated graphics, video presentations, and even multi-slide video content all in Canva. And the best part? It's totally free with a ton of templates and design options to choose from. If you're looking for a free professional-grade video editor, DaVinci Resolve is your answer. It's one of the best free tools available if you want to take your video editing to the next level. DaVinci Resolve has AI-driven features, including automatic color grading, audio enhancement, and object tracking. It's not as beginner-friendly as other tools, but if you want more control over your edits and need a professional touch, DaVinci Resolve offers a robust free version. With DaVinci Resolve, you can make cinematic quality videos for free. The AI features save you a ton of editing time while giving you complete control over your content. Okay, now that we know the top AI tools for video creation, let's talk about how to maximize these tools for the best results. The key is to combine tools. Use InVideo or Pictory for creating content, Canva for thumbnails and social media graphics, and DaVinci Resolve for more advanced editing. By using multiple AI tools together, you'll streamline your process and produce high-quality content consistently. So why should you be using AI video creation tools now? Simply put, the future of content creation is AI-powered. As these tools get smarter and more intuitive, they'll allow you to produce high-quality content at scale. By 2026, AI will be the backbone of most content creation, whether you're a solo creator, a business, or a marketer. Free AI tools give everyone a chance to create like a pro, no matter your budget. So there you have it, the top AI tools for video creation that will help you produce high-quality videos for free. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale up your content, these tools will help you create engaging, professional videos without the high costs. Start experimenting with these tools today, and let me know in the comments which one you're excited to try first. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more tips on using AI for content creation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep creating, stay creative, and let AI take your videos to the next level. Peace.